Hi y'all. I'm gonna try to make slime today with my kids here in the background. They are making me laugh very much, so I've done started this video like 5 times.
Yeah.
Okay. So today we're gonna try to make slime.
Yeah.
First, I need I need 1 tablespoon of borax.
I want that in mine.
2 cups of warm water, a bowl,
Then
a spoon, and some Elmer's glue. And I'm going to make it a little fun, so I'm going to put some little beads in there.
we do.
Okay, so first I'm going to start off by mixing the borax into the water.
Yeah. Then it will
Okay, I'm going to let him stir that. Stir it really good.
I want to stir.
Ooh, okay. And then I'm going to pour the glue in here. We're going to make a lot of glue.
We got
slime.
3 more.
I'm
Whoa.
making a mess.
Yeah, you are.
I was going to try to make the video without the kids, but with them being home 24/7, it's kind of hard. So,
Mommy, I like it.
put that off to the side for a minute. And I'm going to add another one. You can
I don't want to look at myself.
then quit looking at yourself.
It's done.
Alright, so after we get done,
It's done, Doom. It's done. They're already done. Really,
stop that one for a minute. While we are doing that, we're gonna take this syringe.
I want to do it too.
And I'm going to slowly pour this in.
I want to do
And Jason is going to start mixing it up. Mix it up.
I want to do it.
Hold on. And if you can tell,
Whoa,
when
it's dry.
he does this, it's starting to slime up.
And when you knock on it, it's hard. When you keep your arm in it, it sinks.
Okay, you can
Right?
stir it. No, not that.
I want to do it by me. Whoa. Dry?
Okay, now Mommy's going to get her hands dirty. Y'all take your spoons.
No, I want to take it. I want to take my broom.
And I'm gonna. It looks very nasty. Feels kind of nasty.
Can I put my phone down somewhere?
Okay, hold on. We're gonna add some more of this.
What had to do? Make it slimier?
Yeah, it'll make it to where it's not sticking to my hand. And you are gonna be a mess.
Yeah.
Okay, let go. Okay, it's doing good at not sticking to his hands very much.
I don't.
Here is that. I
Hey.
gotta get this off my hands. Okay, Jason wants to do it.
I want to do it. It's slippery on my hand.
It is very slippery.
Mommy, I want to do it then.
Hold on.
Thank you. I don't hold it very hard.
Let's not get this off my hands.
Yeah.
It's bad.
Oh.
Okay. Alright, let go of it.
I want to do it then.
Now I'm going to take. Apparently, you need a paper towel. Stop. Get your hand out of it. Go wash your hands.
I want to do it then.
Well, go wash your hands. Go wash your hands in this water.
Oh, I want to
need cold water. That's hot.
I want it hot.
So now that it's
hot.
slimy.
Ooh, hot. You like it hot.
Okay, let's mix it up some more because it's still a little bit.
Don't fill it in now.
Alright, so now that we've got that done, it's all slimy.
Now I do it.
No.
Oh.
Mommy's got to pour this borax water out.
Borax. I like it hot.
Trying to make sure it's super gooey.
I like it hot. Super gooey.
Alright, so after that, I'm going to pour this water out. Watch out, Nicholas. I'll pour it in here, I guess.
Oh.
Okay. Now that I've got that done, I'm going to add the sparkles. Sparkles.
We like doing it.
Okay.
I got more friends. Let's have more sprinkles.
Nope. We have plenty of sprinkles.
Let's play with
You can also add coloring to it. I like white just because the color sticks to my hands. Nicholas, stop.
I like it green. I like it green. Because that makes it
Nicholas.
even slimier.
You done woke up, sissy? That's okay. So we're going to.
Oh, I didn't going all this.
Go wash your hands. Make slime.
Got it.
Okay, can you go put it back? We have a little sister asleep, or was asleep until they being loud. So right here is how you make slime. It's very cool looking. Ooey gooey.
It's scary.
Okay, put it down and play with this.
Oh, scary. Fun. I like it.
Alrighty, so that is our video for today. We made some white glittery sequence slime. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe. Thank you.